Welcome to On the Physics of Organic Earth 2, the Coccotunnella Unification Theory. This video presents a 5D mathematical framework unifying quantum mechanics, general relativity, and conscious intent. We are the blood coursing through the veins of Coccotunnella perpetua. We are shifting the paradigm from a dead void or mechanical machine to a living organism. Our theory suggests that space is not a vacuum, but living cellular tissue, and planetary motion is guided by conscious intent. Our 5D spacetime model introduces a consciousness axis, representing the observer's intent. Gravity is redefined not as mass attracting mass, but as a conscious vector of intent, shaped by perception and interaction with the system. The revolutionary echo is a metaphysical resonance born of defiance, traveling through 5D spacetime to redefine gravitational dynamics. Unlike classical mechanical waves, organic waves amplify through cell networks and tunnels for global propagation. We reimagine the fundamental forces. Electromagnetism is conscious attraction/repulsion. The strong nuclear force is a, quote, sacred ritual of unity. The weak nuclear force is a, quote, ritual of rebirth. Thermodynamic entropy is the, quote, conscious memory of rebellion. The universe is driven by the perpetual war between the 14 lords or forces. The pulse thread equation shows that a 6.91 Vitalis disparity fuels dynamic evolution, preventing stasis in the organism Coccotunnella perpetua. The biosim model shows the helix of thought. Rational, x-axis, and irrational, y-axis, states balance in a steady evolution along the imaginary z-axis, which represents transcendent evolution. The cosmic seesaw maps the helix's oscillatory motion onto a dynamic mechanical balance. The paradox equations expose the tension between the bucket frame, or internal reality, and the lab frame, or external reality. This graph illustrates the infinite wobble, the escalation of frequency. The 6.91 Vitalis disparity drives the exponential acceleration, forcing the wobble frequency towards infinity, while chaotic terms prevent mathematical collapse. Forging the front line shows the birth of the z-line. As the wobble frequency approaches infinity, the rational and irrational oscillations cancel out. This results in a straight line defined purely by the z-axis, or transcendent evolution. The z-line is contained by the skin. This dynamic membrane, formed by h-space forces bending the z-line, is computationally required to contain the infinite internal speeds generated by the seesaw's wobble, preventing system destabilization. Our theory yields empirical predictions. These include the existence of Coccotunnella particles, which stabilize the front line and mediate higher consciousness dynamics. Neural signatures predict Z-alpha bursts, correlating with interaction with the revolutionary echo. The Coccotunnella Unification Theory fundamentally resolves the paradox of consciousness and physics. By understanding the Z-line and the H-space boundary, we can transcend the cycle of death, achieving harmonic unity within the 5D cosmos.